Hello everyone, welcome back to ForPips. In today's lesson, we're going to discuss which session has the most news releases. Now let's understand one more very important thing. If we talk about high-impact news, the majority of the market-moving news is released during the New York session. For example, non-farm payroll, NFP, CPI, inflation data, FOMC interest rate decision, Federal Reserve speeches, GDP, retail sales, unemployment claims. All of these news events can cause strong movements in gold, the US dollar, and almost the entire Forex market. After that comes the London session, where important economic news is released from the ECB, Bank of England, the Eurozone, and the UK. But if the London session and the New York session are open at the same time, and a high-impact news event is released during that period, then that becomes the most volatile time of the entire trading day. During this time, the market has the highest liquidity, the highest money flow, and often the biggest price movements. Now let's understand one final and very important thing. So far, you've understood almost everything about trading session. But now the question is, what is the connection between these sessions? In other words, does the movement in one session affect the next session? Yes, absolutely. Many times, the story that the market starts in one session is continued by the next session. For example, if the Tokyo session gives a good move in one direction, then many times the London session starts with a sideways movement or consolidation. During this period, the market builds liquidity, and after that, London may either continue the same trend or create a new direction according to the market structure. On the other hand, if the Tokyo session remains sideways for the entire session, then the London session often takes the liquidity from that range and makes a strong move. In other words, you may see a breakout during the London session. Now let's talk about the New York session. Many times, the New York session sweeps the liquidity created by the London session. After that, if the trend remains strong, the market may continue moving in the same direction. But if a high-impact news event arrives or the market reaches a higher time frame resistance or support, then a reversal can also happen from that point. So always remember, nothing in the market is 100% fixed. The same pattern does not repeat every day. A good trader never takes a blind trade based only on a session. Instead, a trader makes decisions by looking at session liquidity, market structure, price action news. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next part, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.